Okay, here is another question that frequently comes up with new MetaMask users. They have the MetaMask extension installed on their Chrome browser, for example, but now once they start sending and receiving tokens with their wallet, they only see the Ether position on their wallet overview page, and they don't actually see the other tokens. And the question is, aren't they there, or are they just not visible? And once they find out that they're there but they're just not visible, they want to know, how do you actually show all of the tokens in your wallet? And the secret here is the following. You can actually add tokens to this overview list, and there are two ways of doing it. One way is through this import tokens functionality. You can either search for the token, or you can add a custom token. This is one way of adding a token. So let's just say we are looking for the mana token. It's immediately found through the search functionality. We can now just click on Decentraland, add next, and the token will be added. Now, sometimes when we are adding something relatively new, the search function will not return what you're looking for. It might return the wrong token, an old one, and you will actually have to use the custom token import functionality. Now, how do you do that? Well, let's open up a new window. Let's go to Google, and let's just look for mana contract address. And on Etherscan, usually you can quite easily find the contract address in the overview here under contract. Let's copy this address. Let's go back to the wallet. And let's once again click on import tokens. And now, since we didn't find it in the search functionality, we're going to custom token. Now you can just paste this contract address, click somewhere, and you will see that it will automatically import the token symbol and the defined decimals. And now we can just click on add custom token, and it will add it to the overview. Boom. Now we have two tokens here. Now this is one way of doing it. The second way, and very often this is the much easier way for most people, you can actually search for, let's just do another example in this case. Let's just search for, let's say, hex token. And let's go to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is quite a big coin ranking site. And what if we have a very easy functionality like this one here? Under contracts, you have the network Ethereum, and then you have an address here. And if you can actually copy this address here instead of Etherscan, or you can directly add it to Metamask. Boom. It will launch that pop-up window, and you can just click on add token. And now you will also have the hex token in your overview. All right, I think this is it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and definitely hit the like button to support this video here. Thank you, and bye-bye.